Hello, kids! Welcome to Mr. Bell's Learning Train. Start your learning journey by just watching my train. When I press this button, the objects will pop out of the carriage, like this. Are you ready for the fun journey? So let's learn the alphabet. A. A is for apple, and the apple is red. A for airplane, and the airplane flies. Here comes B. B for boy, and the boy is cute. B for ball, and the ball is blue. Now comes C. C for cat, and the cat says meow. C for car, and the car is yellow. Here is D. D for dog, and the dog named Bingo. D for doll, and the doll is tall. E. E for elephant, and the elephant is huge. E for ear, and the ear hears clear. It's F. F for fish, and the fish lives in the water. F for frog, and the frog eats bugs. Now G. G for grapes, and the grapes are green. G for girl, and the girl is happy. Here is H. H for hat, and the hat is small. H for horse, and the horse runs fast. Here is I. I for ice cream, and ice cream is yummy. I for ink, and ink is blue. Now J. J for jug, and the jug is full. J for juice, and the juice is cool. It's K now. K for kite, the kite is bright. K for key, and the key is long. Here comes L. L for lion, and the lion is king. L for lamb, and the lamb says ma. Now meet M. M for monkey, and the monkey is funny. M for mouse, and the mouse eats the cheese. Look at N. N for nest, and the nest is on the tree. N for nose, and the nose is long. Meet O. O for orange, and the orange is round. O for owl, and the owl wakes at night. Here comes P. P for pen, and the pen is black. P for pig, and the pig is big. Now that's Q. Q for queen, and queen is beautiful. Q for question, and the symbol is this. It's R now. R for rabbit, and the rabbit eats carrots. R for rose, and the rose is pink. Say hi to S. S for ship, and the ship is sailing. S for shoes, and the shoes are black. Hello, T. T for tumbler, and the tumbler is of silver. T for time, and the time is 10. Let's meet U. U for umbrella, and the umbrella is colorful. U for utensil, and the utensil is made of steel. Here is V. V for van, and the van is white. V for violin, and violin sounds great. This is W. W for window, and the window is open. W for wheel, and the wheel has spokes. Now comes X. X is for X-ray. X is for Xmas. Here comes Y. Y for yolk, and the yolk is yellow. Y for yatch, and the yatch is blue. Hi, Z. Z for zebra, and zebra has stripes. Z for zoo, and zoo is full of animals. Are you ready to learn more? Then watch out my next train and enjoy learning. Hey, pomegranate, it's red in color.